Hi, this is to give you information about the exam structure for IPMAT, Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT and how to crack the exam. So we've been running training for manual entrance for last 23 plus years, which includes IPM BBA course. For IPM BBA, we have classroom courses, online mocks, workshops. You can contact us if you're interested. So IPMAT Indore, three sections basically. Quant, means in IPMAT Indore, out of two sections of mathematics itself. One is MCQ, where you have to just mark the option. Second is where you have to type in the answers. So you have to type in a number as the answer. So 15 short answers, 30 MCQs, and 45 questions for verbal ability. The three sections, each section of 40 minutes, so totaling 120 minutes. So 2 hours paper as such. So +4 -1 for all the MCQ questions, and for short answers there is no negative mark. Exam structure. Now IPMAT Indore becomes extremely important because not only Indore but IPM Ranchi, IIM Ranchi also accepts it, and IIM Amritsar, which is the new college, also accept IPMAT Indore. So yes, it's the most popular. Apart from that, there is IIT Kakinada and other colleges which accept IPMAT Indore. So most colleges that do IPMAT do accept IPMAT Indore. Therefore, it becomes an important exam. How to crack? They normally ask high level mathematics. If you look at the other BBA, IPM exams, they don't have high level mathematics. They normally have mathematics up to school level, most of them. But IPMAT Indore's level of mathematics is slightly higher. The paper is tougher. So paper strategy plays an important role. I mean, the key out here is to learn to leave questions. Like in other papers where it's a speed-based test, the key is to solve faster. Here the key is how fast you can leave, so you can spend enough time on questions that you can solve. Right, to identify difficult level of the question, because there's a high chance most of the questions will leave in the examination. Right, so if you look at the total number of questions out here is 94 marks question, 360 marks. From that, the cutoff is normally sometimes 170, 175, coming around that 170, 175. So in which case less than half is the cutoff. So in the end, most of the questions there is a high chance you may leave it. So identifying difficult level and trying to leave tough ones and focusing on the easy ones is what you should solve. Also, most of these marks people normally get in English, so the cutoff marks for mathematics is comparatively lower, and that's where your skill strategy will come into place. IPMAT Rohtak, computer-based test, 3 sections: quant, logic, verbal. So each consists of 40 multiple choice questions, 4 marks each, and 120 minutes, 2 hours paper, right? And -1 for all the wrong answers. This is a more easier set of questions as compared to Indore. We say speed-based test. So you have speed matters more. You need to be fast. So familiarity of questions helps to solve faster. The more you practice, the more you become familiar with the questions, the faster you can become in the examination. That's what IPMAT Rohtak exam is. JIPMAT, again computer-based test, quant, DILR, so data interpretation, logical reasoning in one section, and VARC in one section. Okay, the exam 100 questions, again 4 marks, total 400 marks, and negative mark -1. Here the exam duration is 150 minutes for the 100 questions. That's it. So how to crack is similar to IPMAT. The speed matters. Speed plays an important role. You need to be familiar. You need to be able to practice more so that you can crack the examination. So this is what JIPMAT is. Okay, so prepare. I mean, it's not difficult. I mean, I'm sure IPMAT Indore is a little difficult to get in because a lot of people are aiming for it, but the other IIMs is possible to get in. So in that case, if you prepare properly and focus, I'm sure you should be able to crack the examination. Thank you. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to IPM. We also have this Road to 100 series, which will help you to get new methods, better methods to solve for your IPMAT exam. You can use that to practice. Thank you.